Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see the blocked list on Instagram. So if you've blocked somebody and you want to unblock them or you just want to see who you've blocked over the course of having your Instagram account, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to see your block list in this video today. So let's hop right into it. First things first, you want to head over to your Instagram app. And once you're on the app, you're going to want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, as you can see, you're going to be brought to your page here. You're going to want to click on the three bars in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on that here, you're going to want to look for settings and privacy. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. You're going to be brought to the settings and privacy page, and you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for blocked, as you can see here, which is in who can see your content. However, if you cannot find it here, you can use the search bar at the top and just search for blocked. Now, once you search for it, you'll be able to find it, and once you click on it, you'll see everybody that you've blocked, as you can see here. So you can go ahead and click on it, and then you can see who has been blocked. You can add people as well if you want to block them. But if you want to unblock them, as you can see, I only have one account blocked currently. But if you had more, then it'd just be like a list of all the people that you blocked. If you want to unblock them, you can go ahead and click unblock, as it'll ask if you want to unblock them. But that is how you see the blocked list on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below saying if it worked, and if it didn't, leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.